Masaklap itong nangyari sa Koreanong ito. Pati itong fan ay hindi makapaniwala sa kanyang nakita. Another solid outing para kay Kevin Kiambao. Nagpakita ng napakagandang Euro step sa baseline. Second straight wins para sa Goyang Sono Sky Gunners. Pero bago nga yan, eto solid na basketball molten. Dating 1,437 pesos. Ngayon nga ay mabibili mo na lang ng 475 pesos sa Shopee. Limited offer lang nga ito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Click mo na nga yung link sa comment section sa ibaba.
At 6'5", complimenting KQ, a beautiful rejection by Choi Jun-young. Unfortunately, by Choi Jun-young before. This is much needed bucket by KCC. Kiambao, pass inside. What? Yohun able to locate his big man. Same applied at the corner. 3-point shot missed by Song Kyo-chang, and on the counter, KQ will fit. Kiambao, 4 seconds. He pulls up, and he scores. This is Kevin Kiambao, 12. KQ, attacking left, the fade, and the make. He's catch and shoot, short. Got his own board. Kiambao, sidestep, reverse. Yo Wong, offensive rebound, KCC. Now it's a layup converted by Song Kyo-chang. The look of concern, he looked at Kyo-chang. Speedy recovery. Baseline inbound. KQ, catch and shoot. Yes! That could have been a reverse layup for Choi Seung-wook. KQ, one more swing. Lee Jung-yun for 3. Yes, sir! Let's see if KCC will be fouling. KQ goes all the way for the jab.
Sa uli nga ay panalo ang Goyang Sono Sky Gunners kung saan nakapagtala nga si Kevin Kiambao ng 17 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists.